In this video, I'll show you how you can combine photos on your iPhone. So we don't need to use any complicated methods to get this done. All I want you to do is just go to the App Store and then just do a search here for Collage. There are many free apps that you can use if you just type in Collage here. Choose whichever one you like the look of. They all pretty much do the same thing and they're all pretty much free. Just click on any and click download. As you can see, I'm using Collage Maker, which I'll open. And what we can do is we can choose from this grid here how we want to combine the images. So maybe we have 4 images in a square we want to combine. Maybe we have 2 vertical images or 2 landscape images. I'm going to click on the 2 vertical images here. That will then open up this window and just exit out of any ads. You don't need any premium plans for this. Click on the plus icon and then upload your first image. Then click the tick and then click on your second image as well. Click the tick, then click done. Now you've got your images merged. You can zoom in and pinch and resize these if necessary. If this space or this white bar in the middle is annoying you as well, go to edit, and this is if you're using the same app, and then just change this slider on space all the way to 0, and there you go, they've now combined together. You click download in the top right hand corner, exit out of this, save as photo, and there you go, it will now have saved to your camera roll, and that is all you have to do.